So how English changed my life? I was very much same as you, right? I used to struggle in making sentences. I used to struggle cramming the grammar rules, cramming the vocabulary every day. And that my life was hell, right? But how everything changed, how English changed my life and how it was so beneficial for me, I'm going to share this with you, and this will definitely benefit you in your spoken English journey. So basically, I'm from Bihar, and if you are from Bihar, you can easily understand that how much difficult it is for us to acquire a second language like English, because we are not taught such languages in Bihar. And there is a strong thing that, let me tell you something, even if we speak Hindi, there is an Bihari accent there, and we can easily be identified. And most of our interviews are rejected because for the same reason, right? So how I started. Let me tell you something. I've been an English teacher for 10 years and I quit for maybe 3 to 4 years. You might be thinking, if I'm an English teacher, then I can speak better English. But do you know what, my friend? When I was a student, when I was learning English, it was very difficult, right? I remember struggling to introduce myself in front of people. I used to go blank. I used to cram a lot of vocabulary, a lot of Hindi to English translation, but none of those were working when it comes to real interaction with people, right? So when I quit my teaching, you know, I was just struggling. Like, I didn't know what to do. My entire life, I taught English for 10 years. And when I left it, I didn't know what to do in life. So one of my friends told me about a corporate job. And luckily, I just completed a 3-month course in digital marketing. And I had got a little expertise in SEO. So I just took my first job in SEO field, not because of SEO, but because of my communication. I used to communicate too well. I am able to communicate well right now as well, right? So there they hired me. And you know what my first salary was? It was 50,000 rupees per month, not because of my SEO skill, but because of my communication. I was very much surprised at how, like, when I was teaching English, I was paid like 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees a month. Now I just got 50,000 rupees, means 5x growth just because you spoken English. I was very much surprised. I started working there, started joining a lot of group. Most of my communication used to happen with my manager in English because they were foreigners. So basically, I have got a lot of experience talking to foreigners. Most of the people who are from USA or Philippines or from South Africa used to speak in English only. We used to deal, most of our the meetings were in English, right? So that actually improved a lot. Within 6 months or 1 year of span of time, I just got my salary from 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. And I was living my dream life. I was like, oh my God, what happened overnight? But it was not overnight. I struggled in my past, that I want to share with you. You can learn English without any grammar, right? So right now, let me tell you a condition. Right now, whenever you try to speak in English, you first think in Hindi, translate back in English, then you try to speak. And it is a very difficult process. You need to remember subject, verb, object, tenses, modal verbs, vocabularies, and oh my God, this makes our life hell, right? But I figured out a secret method. Without learning grammar, you can understand every grammar rule, and you can communicate in English like a foreigner or like anybody who is fluent in English. While I was teaching back in like 2014 or 15, I came across a professor named Stephen Krasen, where I figured out there is a way called comprehensible input, where you can learn English just by listening and reading. I mean, it looks so easy, but it takes time, right? So that's how my life changed. That's how I started speaking English, and I got a lot of job work for a lot of corporate sector, right? And it helped me a lot to make some money and become some financial freedom. So if you want to learn English, I mean, we can go together hand in hand. I can teach you the methods that I use to speak in English, method that helped me grow exponentially in English. I'll share with you each and everything. So stay with me, and I'll start making videos, and you can watch and get benefit from there. So I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.